Hello everyone. Today we are discussing topic is loop controller. How it is work we can see today with the example. So loop control means multiple transaction want to execute multiple times. That reason we can use loop controller. See for example we have a category for login. We have login and products. But I want to execute category only multiple times. For example, I'm giving loop controller give 5. So category only it will execute 5 times. So that reason we want to use the loop controller. We can see the with the real-time example. First of all, I'm going to the third group. Go to the add, go to the logic controller. We can select that loop controller. So again, drag and above. I'm adding this categories to the loop controller inside. So now loop controller inside category is there. So what are the loop controller elements? See, here is the infinity. Infinity means you can execute multiple times. When you stop until manually you can stop here. Otherwise it will execute multiple times. So there's a reason purpose we can enable this option. Otherwise we can use numbers. Can give numerical numbers. For how many times you want to execute categories? If you want to execute categories 5 times, you can give 5 number. If you want to execute 10 times, you can give 10. So I'm giving 5 times. We can see the how it will execute 5 times or not. Before executing, I can add the some listeners. First of all, listener is an element that visualize the results that will help to the performance by displaying response time and throughput errors. Some other metrics it will provide listeners. So first of all, go to the thread group, click on right click, or the listener. You can add the view result tree. View result tree it will display the request and the response details. It will helpful for the debugging purpose. And also I'm also adding to the aggregate report. Go to the thread group, add or listeners aggregate report. So aggregate it will show the statistics data like a throughput, the response time, average response time, average response time, and standard deviation, received byte second, send bytes, median, samples, 90%. This all information will show you the in aggregate report. So first of all, I'm saving this. I'm running this. And I'm running now. We can see the loop control how many times carrier will execute. Okay, just I'm running this. See launch execute one time. See login also execute one time, but categories only it will execute 5 times. Remaining also execute one time. That is the purpose we are using loop controller. Oh, see, we are giving the number of this one. Ramp up is give one. Loop controller is giving one. Okay. Now I'm giving 5 here. Here also I'm giving 5 only. Now you can see how many times it will execute. If I'm clearing the results, and then we'll see how it will go to the loop controller. It will work. I'm clearing the all results. Just saving one more time. I'm running. See, I'm giving that group 5. It will execute 5 times. If you launch execute 5 times, see login also execute 5 times. But category will execute 25 times. Why means here is the number of users is 5. But loop controller number is 5. 5 into 5, 25. See, it means 25 times it will execute it. For the categories. Remaining also execute 5 times only. For example, I'm giving here 10. I'm giving loop controller is 5 only. I'm giving this 5 only. See now how many times it will execute. I'm saving this once again. I'm just playing this. See, launch is 10 times completed. See, login also 10 times completed. See, categories 50 times is good. Why means we are given 10, but loop control is 5. 10 into 5, 50. 50 times executed. Like that way, it will execute loop controller. For example, I'm going here. I'm removing the numbers. I'm selecting infinity. How it will work? Now we'll see. I'm clearing all the data. I'm saying one more time. Just I'm running now. See, launch it 10 times executed. See, login also 10 times executed. But categories, it will continuously, it will execute, keep on, one stop manually. Otherwise, it will keep on executing only. Why? Because we are selecting infinite. Infinite means it will execute multiple times until you stop manually. That's the purpose we are using the loop control. This is the way it will work in a real time also. See, categories is going 1000 above, 1200 above. So like that way it will work. Just I'm stopping now. See, now it is stopping. So this is the way loop control will work in real time. Thank you everyone. If you have any doubts, ping me on comments and do subscribe.